Welcome. This is a little video. This is a SMD soldering practice board that I put together. And I just finished putting it all together and hooked up some power to it. It's just a 9-volt battery. But I can see that everything is working in the middle like it's supposed to. And all that stuff on the side has all been soldered. I've learned a few lessons here. One is to make sure that the heat gun is set properly. Get enough airflow, but not too much so you blow things away. And keep the temperature warm enough to heat up the solder paste quickly, but not so fast that you don't have time to work with it. And the other thing is there's very little tiny components here, and there's the numbers along that top edge there, 1206 on the left, and then 0805, and they go down to 0603 and 0402. What I have determined is I do like the larger 1206, but I can work with the 805s. I can work with the other two as well, the 0603 and the 0402, but I'd rather not. So as I design my boards in the future, my new boards, I will definitely be looking at 1206 and 0805s when I'm designing surface mount components. I don't want to try and get too much smaller than that. Sometimes you don't have a choice, but this works. I'm pleased with it, and it was a nice learning experience.